Hello again. 2 videos in one day. How about that? My main reason for posting this video on this pressure washer is hopefully it'll help somebody else, because I went out to Google and YouTube and I found absolutely nothing on this particular vintage pressure washer. I've had this since 2005 and I went to do some maintenance on it, and like I said, I got on Google and YouTube. I found nothing. So I'll include the stickers and the Troy-Bilt decal and so forth and so on, and the maintenance instructions on the pump. The only thing I did different from the manual, just because it didn't make any sense to me, the instructions say to change the oil in this pump. They recommend that you drain the fuel tank, drain the oil out of the engine, tip the unit on its side to drain the pump, then tip the unit back on the other side to refill the pump. I mean, come on. It just did not make sense to me. So what I did was, there are 4 socket head cap screws here, Allen wrenches, and you just remove those and the pump slides right off the shaft. I mean, like I said, I just didn't see any sense of going through all the hassle of draining all the fluids out of this thing. Hopefully that'll help somebody else. Take care.